Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we're gonna have a look at this switch or flip knife. And as you see, I did draw on there a little for the heck of it, because I wanted to try some of my pens and from other videos as well. And then I realized I haven't even checked or showed that knife yet, so let's do that really quick here. It's all black, it comes out quite nicely, it's pretty solid, doesn't move at all. And yeah, it is a nice knife. I got some sustain from glue here, which is kind of unfortunate. I could remove that probably, but whatever. And yeah, it definitely gets the job done. But I gotta say, before checking that out or buying that, make sure it is allowed to have flip knives in your country or your city or wherever. Sometimes it's not allowed. Here's a good grip for your fingers as well. And all in all, I'm pretty satisfied. And this is a pretty good piece. I love it for camping or unboxing stuff. And I will see you around. My name is Badger. I'm out. Take care. Until the next video. And bye bye for now.